Hello everybody. In my last class, I have explained the relation between U, V and F for a concave mirror. In this class, I shall establish the relation between U, V and F for a convex mirror. Relation between U, V and F is also known as mirror formula. Convex mirror always forms virtual image. So let us draw a diagram of image formation by a convex mirror. This is a convex mirror. It is its principal axis. A object is placed in front of the mirror. This is the silvered surface. A ray parallel with the principal axis incident on the mirror. It reflected along this path. The reflected ray is increased. It will intersect the principal axis. The point of intersection is known as focus. Another ray fall normally on the mirror. For normal incidence, the reflected ray and incident ray will overlap. This will be the reflected ray again. If this ray is increased, then it will meet principal axis at center of curvature. So this will be the image. Now draw a perpendicular on the principal axis from point A. Name of the object is PQ. Name of the image is P dash Q dash. This point is A and this point is D. Object is PQ. Image is P dash Q dash. This is a virtual image. To establish the relation between U, V and F, you at first need to identify similar triangles. Here, triangle PQC and triangle P dash Q dash C. P dash Q dash C. Triangle PQC and P dash Q dash C are similar, so we can write triangle PQC and triangle P dash Q dash C are similar. For similar triangles, the ratio of corresponding sides are equal. PQC এবং P dash Q dash C সদৃশ্যকোণী ত্রিভুজ. PQC and P dash Q dash C. C is the common angle. Angle PQC equal to angle P dash Q dash C, as both are 90 degree. PQC, P dash Q dash C. So of course angle QPC, this angle and this angle will also be equal. So we can say that triangle PQC and P dash Q dash C are similar. So ratio of PQ and P dash Q dash, PQ by P dash Q dash will be equal to QC by Q dash C. This is your equation 1. Another pair of similar triangles are triangle ADF, triangle ADF and P dash Q dash F. Triangle ADF and triangle P dash Q dash F are also similar because angle F is the common angle. Angle ADF will be equal to angle P dash Q dash F as both are 90 degree. So automatically the third angle will be equal. Hence we can say that the arm AD by P dash Q dash will be equal to DF by Q dash F. This is the pole. Name of the pole is O. If O and D are very close, then we can say that DF equal to OF. So you can write DF. You can write DF equal to OF. OF by Q dash F. O and D are very close. Hence, OF will be equal to DF. This is your second equation. Here, AD and PQ are equal. So, replace AD by PQ. Replace AD by PQ. PQ by P dash Q dash is equal to OF by Q dash F. This is your equation 3. Now from equation 1 and 3, PQ by P dash Q dash, here also PQ by P dash Q dash, and QC by Q dash C, here is OF by Q dash F. So as the left hand side of both the equations are equal, so RHS will also be equal. These two will be equal. Therefore you can say QC by Q dash C equal to OF by Q dash F. This is your equation 4. Now QC. QC is QO plus OC. QC we can write QC equal to QO plus OC. QO means OQ plus OC. OQ is the object distance. This is the object, so the object distance will be equal to OQ. So you can write U plus OC is the radius of curvature. Right, R. Now put sign convention. The direction of incident ray is this, and we have measured the object distance in this direction. So OQ will be negative as per the rule of sign convention, minus U, and direction of incident ray is this, and we have measured the distance radius of curvature in this direction. So OC will be positive. Now Q dash C equal to OC minus O Q dash. Q dash C is this. It will be equal to OC minus O Q dash. OC is equal to R. It will be positive as the direction of incident rays from O to C. So it will be positive. O q dash is the image distance. It is the image. So o q dash is the image distance. It will also be positive. So r minus v. Now o f is the focal length. Focal length of convex mirror is always positive. So OF will be f. The remaining term is q dash f. You can write q dash f equal to OF minus OQ dash. Q dash f equal to OF minus OQ dash. Q dash f is this. It will be equal to OF minus OQ dash. OF is the focal length. So it will be positive f, and OQ dash is the image distance. So it will be equal to q dash f equal to OF minus OQ dash. Q dash f equal to OF minus OQ dash. OF is f and OQ dash is v. V means image distance. Both are positive as both are along the direction of incident ray. So you can write f minus v. Now see from equation 4 qc by q dash c. Write it again. Equation 4 from equation 4 qc by q dash c equal to OF by q dash f. QC is minus u plus r. Q dash c is r minus v. Minus u plus r divided by r minus v. Minus u plus r divided by r minus v equal to OF. OF is focal length f, and q dash f is f minus v. So multiply r minus v with f and f minus v with minus u plus r. Minus uf, minus u and f, then minus u and minus v, plus uv, then r and f plus rf, then r and minus v minus rv, then f and r equal to fr, then f and v equal to minus fv. As we know, capital R is the radius of curvature, which is equal to 2f. Relation between r and f is f equal to r by 2. So r equal to f into 2. So you can substitute capital R by 2 into f. Uf plus uv plus r equal to 2 into f, so f square minus rv, r equal to 2 into f, 2fv equal to f equal to 2 into r, no, r equal to 2 into f equal to 2f square. In place of r you will write 2 into f, so 2f into f equal to 2f square minus fv plus 2f square plus 2f square. So this will cancel out. The remaining terms will be here FV সাইড চেঞ্জ করলে মাইনাস FV এই সাইডে গেলে হয়ে যাবে প্লাস FV, so it will be minus UF plus UV plus FV minus 2FV will be minus FV equal to 0. Now minus UF minus FV equal to minus UV. UV के এদিকে নিয়ে গেলে minus UV. We can write UF plus FV equal to UV. Dividing both sides by UVF, you will get, divide both sides by UVF. UF by UVF will be 1 by V. FV by UVF will be 1 by U, and UV by UVF will be 1 by F. Right? Dividing both sides by UVF. So this is the mirror formula for a convex mirror. These two equations are very important. Mirror formula for concave mirror and mirror formula for convex mirror are very important questions for exam.